Hey everyone, welcome back to Alvin's Vehicles. So today I'm going to review my first M2 machines that I got on April 8th, 2023. It's a very nice vehicle, the 1967 Dodge A100 panel van. So let's review it. This is what they would call one of those kit things. I forgot the name. Model kit. Yeah, model kit. It's where you can get the parts and change out some parts and stuff on the vehicle. I nailed it back onto the bottom part. Here you can change the wheels and stuff. And it gives you like 4 axles in total, which is pretty nice. 2 for each. Now, where did that other axle go? There it is. And now it's connected to the base, as you can see. The thing looks very nice. It's a metal, metal structure with a plastic bottom piece. The vehicle's connected to it. And this one's a chase model. Only 750 pieces worldwide. I think it said on the package. Although I don't know if that's true. There we go. This is the model. I went with the 5-spoke wheels because they look good. It's got blue chrome. I think that's the chase. As you can see here on the corner. 750. I saw a normal silver chrome one. It's got a blue base, metal, black body, also metal, a bit metallic paint, a blue stripe on the side. Looking very nice. Detailing all around. Rubber tires, I think those are. That's pretty nice. Some clear window glass with printing on them, which is also nice. This thing cost me like $30 to get. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. Look at that. So much detailing. So much. It's 60-ish grams, which is very heavy. And it's got some information on the bottom. 2022 cast line ink and made in China. 1967 Dodge A100 van. And you can use a screwdriver to open it up at the bottom to switch out the wheels. Yeah, and I'm not going to do that because, yeah, see? And you can also take out the window glass. No, wait, you can't do that. You can take out the interior, though, which is blue plastic. So this is a very nice model, but for $30, is it worth it? Well, it came with this, which is pretty nice. You can also put the vehicle on the top. There's screw places to put it. So, I'd say yes, and I'd give this a 11 out of 10, because I love blue. So yeah, very nice. Well, now for the second part of this video, I'm going to unbox also these 14 Hot Wheels and Matchbox vehicles that I got on June 16th, 2023, and the moving parts Matchbox that I got on June 22nd, 2023. So let's start. Mazda 787B's up first. Very nice looking thing. Let's crack it open. It looks very nice. Look at that. It's got different wheels, a plastic base, blue body. Very nice. Very low to the ground too. Now, time to open the 68 Copo Camaro. This is great. Ah, this is weird. How do I get this out? Oh, I think I see something. A hole. Let's tear this open and get that car out. Look at this thing. It's got a big R on the front. Red wheels and blue wheels. Very nice chrome base. Yellow paint job. I think there's a super treasure hunt of this, though I haven't gotten it yet. Well, next up is the 84 Corvette. Dang, why? Look at this beautiful opening. Look at this thing. There's some luggage at the back, which is a nice touch. A black base. Corvettes on the hood and striping. I love this gold. And clever use of the window to make it seem as though it's the roof. Or maybe I don't know, I don't understand the car. Anyways, the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400 is next. This isn't reviewing, so I'm not going to include much context. This one's more of a cleaner opening. Those Wi-Fi wheels I really like. That dark blue paint job. Very nice. Big wing. Yeah, that wing looks really cool. And the last of the Hot Wheels, the BMW 507. Ah, why? This is annoying. This thing's really thin. It's got those steely 8s. That really nice chrome base. Side detailing, other side detailing, and top detailing. It's convertible. But I still like it a lot because I don't like convertibles. But this is a BMW. I really like BMWs. Tesla Model Y. A lot of people probably like this vehicle. It's a matchbox. Let's crack it open. Oh, it's got the protective stuff. Let's take that out. Here it is. Here's the protective stuff. It's got those 10 spokes. Clear roof. You can see all the interior and stuff. That red looks really good. Zero emissions at the back. Dual motor. Yeah, it reminds me a lot of a Tesla, honestly. Just honestly. And now the other Mustang Mach-E. Not the racing version, the civilian version. Does it have protective stuff? Nope, it does not. This one's a bit light. There's an interior, just you can't really see it. This one's mostly plastic, I think, because the window's really dark. I don't even think it's that much of a window anymore. The red's a bit lighter than the Tesla, and still very nice, and still front and rear detailing. And this car I really like, the Koenigsegg Yamera. Looking very nice. Time to crack it open though. I love how Matchbox has that sort of thingy there, so opening it will be easier. Ironically, I think only Hot Wheels Premiums have that. And most collectors don't open them. Most. This thing looks really nice. And I think I got a Yamera somewhere, a Hot Wheels version. The Matchbox version looks better because of the metallic paint. Front and rear detailing, both of them do have that though. All of them have free tampo prints. The Matchbox one has the windshield wiper, more yellow interior, and 5-spoke wheels. Hot Wheels has 10 spokes, both dark plastic bases, although Hot Wheels has less metal. Matchbox has more. This thing seems fast. Very nice. A bit less wider than the Hot Wheels version. Well, time to open the 2021 Ford Bronco. This one's a National Parks. Eco Management. Oh, I teared apart the card badly. This is not good. Not good at all. Ah, there we go. Opening cards is just kind of annoying. But it's fun. Ah, there goes the car. That mint green US 402 at the side. Front detailing and side detailing. And it almost looks like it has rear detailing. Sadly, it doesn't. And it has the same wheels as the one on the rear. So pretty nice. And I think that's a little Bronco there. Number 23 on the vehicle. Very nice. I swear almost all of them have black plastic bases. And now I'm just gonna open up these three vehicles that go together. They all have the cycle runner theme, which is nice. 2 MBX cycle trailers that I got because they have vehicle variations on them. Time to crack this one open. A bit hard to do so. Ooh, I keep breaking the back of the cardboard card. Anyway, got that vehicle out. It's got back detailing. It says Cycle Runner at the back. Some top detailing. This thing looks really nice. It's got the motorbike, which I have. And then here's the other one. Same thing, gotta crack it open the same way. And breaks the card again. This is annoying, but fun. Second one, it's got a chopper at the back. This thing's pretty tall. It has better axles than, the one that I got first, which is nice. Look really similar. 2 trailers. I should tilt that down. And time to open the 95 Nissan Hardbody D21. Look at this thing. It looks really nice. It's got a mini wheel there. It's a tiny one. It doesn't match the ones that it has, but it's nice. It's got surprisingly free tampos. Sides and top-ish. A little front-ish. So, because the Nissan logo looks a little at the front. There's a bit of blue paint on the side there. And a tow hook. Look at that. It can tow both of them. I should have gotten 2, but, I didn't think about that. And it rolls nicely with the toe too. And time to open the two moving parts. All of these I got are from Dollar Tree, but these two I got from Target. So first is Mazda MX-30. Gonna open this up. It's not used to opening these moving parts, so yeah. Let's crack it open with no consent, or whatever it's called. That sounded really sus, not gonna lie. Get it out of there. And the red's really nice. Not metallic though. It's got those 5 spokes, which are nice. Don't mind the cut because my phone died while filming, and now it's just I don't know if I didn't know if the file would save or not, so I ended up opening all the vehicles beforehand, like the rest, which is only one other thing. And the Mazda MX-30 has front and rear light tampoing, which is very nice. Gray base, finally. First one. And a opening rear, if I didn't say that the first time. There are 2 versions to this, I think. You could have a dog here or something. But this one just has some big old luggage. Tinted window glass. And that's that. Now for the 1956 Morris Minor. It's a Matchbox 70th anniversary. I decided to crack this open beforehand because, well, I thought the file didn't save, and I'm just gonna make a snap thingy and just pretend that I made an edit to open all the vehicles. Anyways, MBX 70th at the back with rear light tampos and stuff, and the logo at the back. I think this is a Target exclusive because, you know, the Target signs on the 0. It's got front tampoing and engine tampoing. Look at that detail. Look at that. Look at that. It's got a gray base also, as you can see. And it's got front frame tampos, which is very nice, and a black interior. Those wheels are also nice. So yeah, this is all I have for you today. Next time I'm going to open up the oink.gg cars that I got a couple days ago. So, bye.